So I have 3 kids, 10, 9, and 5. So let's just say I've been organizing toys for quite some time. Also a stay-at-home mom and a homeschool mom. So needless to say, we have lots of things. Now that my 5-year-old has the majority of the toys, I decided to organize them all in her room, and I do have a few things that I put in the closet to rotate out. So like I said, I have found my groove with this. I pretty much have bins, baskets, bags for pretty much everything, boxes, and I have found at least 6 pairs of socks in all of this. Anyways, I don't dump everything out. I just go bin by bin. I make piles of trash, piles of stuff that I need to take out of the room that don't belong in here, and just general piles until I figure out what basket or bin box I'm going to put it in. So I started putting all of the bags together, the dolls, the animals. I already had a bin for Legos. I had a bin for Magnetiles. She has 2 cash registers, a little toolbox, and the main thing I had to organize was the doll stuff. So they have like LOL dolls and OMG dolls. So they have lots of little accessories, some furniture. So I like to make sure I have a spot for each one. That way it makes it easier for me to clean up, but also it's easier for her to help as she's learning to clean up and tidy up after herself. And I'm not gonna lie, I was honestly dreading doing this. I took forever until the very last minute of the day to start this. I don't know what it was, but I just always feel so good after I get it done. I know some people dump everything out in the middle of the floor and then just have bins out. I've done it like that before. I feel like that method would work if you don't really have anything very organized and you're working on figuring that out. I do like doing it like that with everything in the middle because then all the bins are empty, so I get to kind of start organizing as I go. But this time I just had everything out and I just did it one by one. So whatever worked for you. Also with little pieces, I suggest getting Ziploc bags or any reusable bags that you have and collecting all the smaller things so they don't get lost as easily. I also gather all of the doll clothes and put those together. I of course ask their input if they want to get rid of certain things, and my 5-year-old right now does not want to get rid of anything, so there wasn't much that I donated. And over the years I definitely have learned to get rid of things as I go. I don't wait until the last minute when I'm doing this. I also like to save a lot of the good stuff that my kids outgrow for my godson, so little by little I always kind of set things aside. But oh my god, it felt so good to finally get all this done, and I honestly was tired of this shelf being in the living room. It's all her doll stuff and then the books on the bottom. This little corner, her room doesn't have a closet because it's like a true office, so that's why she has a lot of space. Yeah, it definitely helps having the open-ended toys over here and the stuffies in their little zoo over there. The kitchen area, I did organize this as well. We shall see how long this lasts. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.